afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the Blue Lagoon, one of Iceland's most recognizable and visited tourist attractions. To start your visit, I'm just going to give you a brief account of the history of the place before letting you roam about on your own. I promise not to keep you too long. Now, from where we are standing, you can see the geothermal power plant that was fundamental in the creation of the Blue Lagoon. You might not be aware, but the Blue Lagoon was created accidentally by the condensed discharge from the power plant. Originally, the water was expected to disappear into a permeable lava field, but over time, sedimentation gradually made the coarse lava field watertight, and the lagoon continued expanding. This all started in 1969, when the town council of Grindavik decided to explore the area closer to here, Svartsengi, for the possibility of geothermal. And after drilling 2 holes, they found that this was a high-temperature area. From there, in 1973, the Icelandic Energy Authority completed preliminary plans for a regional heating system based in this area. And then, as continued exploration continued to reveal the great potential, a geothermal heating plant that would supply heat to 7 nearby municipalities was planned. During this research process, it was discovered that the hot fluid in the ground was brine. As a result of the extraction of the heat, the brine is let out into the surrounding lava field, where it accumulates into what has become the Blue Lagoon. In 1981, a few psoriasis patients started to experiment with bathing in the lagoon, and the baths seemed to give at least temporary relief from their skin disease. This curing effect on patients with a variety of conditions such as psoriasis, rheumatism, sciatica, and eczema is the same as what has been seen in other places with sulfur-rich water. As I said at the beginning, the Blue Lagoon was created unintentionally by the outlet water from the power station. The water was supposed to disappear into a permeable lava field, but instead it built up. The healing waters of Blue Lagoon became internationally known when a popular American TV show filmed an episode here about the healing properties of brine. Since then, an increasing number of patients from all over the world have come to enjoy what this special place has to offer. In 1999, the facilities you are looking at now were created for visitors, and a man-made lagoon with constant renewal of warm water was created. The type of research that goes on here is quite varied, and it includes projects into energy management as well as the health benefits of the water in the lagoon. I encourage you to take some time to check out the information about ongoing projects before our tour of the facility.